Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custom-made stickers. First, let's talk about design. You'll want to use a good design program like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create your artwork. Make sure your image has a high resolution, ideally 300 dpi, so it looks crisp when printed. Think about the final size, perhaps a 2-inch by 2-inch square, before you start designing. Next, selecting the right material is crucial for your custom stickers. For outdoor use or items that might get wet, waterproof vinyl is an excellent choice, offering great durability. If your stickers are just for indoor decoration, glossy paper can provide vibrant colors at a lower cost. Always consider the adhesive strength needed for where you plan to stick them. Now let's get your designs onto paper and cut them out. Use a high-quality printer, either inkjet or laser, to ensure your colors pop. For perfectly shaped stickers, a cutting machine like a Cricut is fantastic. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can carefully cut your stickers by hand using sharp craft scissors, achieving great results. Finally, it's time to apply your custom stickers and make them last. Always clean the surface where the sticker will go to ensure good adhesion. When applying, start from the center and smooth outwards to avoid any air bubbles. For extra durability and to protect against wear, consider adding a clear laminate layer over your finished sticker. Enjoy your creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.